Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome back to the channel. So, what I wanted to do is talk about all of these myEcon success stories, especially happening right now in 2025. And I wanted to, now that we have like a dozen people here that I've done videos on, all just normal everyday people that got started with myEcon, started plugging in, started promoting their business, and saw very significant results. Some of them, literally dozens of sales per week, some of them ranking up to infinity, platinums, golds, you name it, all walks of life in here. And again, all just average everyday people who decided to take action on myEcon, get started, and are getting really great results. So, what I wanted to do is I wanted to, kind of go through all of these videos, not here with you, but on my own. I was kind of looking at each of these different success stories and thinking, for you watching, for the person that's saying, hey, you know what, I'm thinking about having a good, legitimate business from home. I'm thinking about myEcon. I'm thinking about, different ways to increase my income. Ultimately, it comes down to everything that we've talked about here in this video series is really two things. What are these people doing and how are they, what exactly are they doing to promote their business and how are they doing it? So you can have an understanding yourself of if you get started, what are you going to do and how are you going to do it? And I'm going to break it down for you. I'm going to kind of summarize everything in this video and just kind of give you an overall snapshot of what all these people, what are the common denominators here? What do all of these people have in common? Now, here's what's crazy. So let me go through this here and talk about a few different things. Okay. So before I give you the actual, the summary, the actual breakdown here, I'm going to kind of unveil that here in the end. And it's, sort of surprising, but not really surprising. So you just hang tight, make sure you watch all the way through here. Okay. So when we look at, Clint, okay, I'm going to do a really quick breakdown of each person right here. Okay. When we look at Clint, Clint is using, I'm just going to put TT. Clint is using TikTok and he's specifically using short form videos. Okay. So SFV, short form videos. And I'll probably just make that V for videos because a lot of people are using videos. Okay. So that's what Clint is using. Okay. So now when we look at Shannon, Shannon is using YouTube and she's also utilizing TikTok as well. So again, using video marketing. Okay. So that's more of a V, not a check mark. Okay. So Richard is specifically using Facebook. He's doing posts. Okay. And he's also using YouTube. Okay. So a little bit different from Clint and a little bit different from Shannon, but again, utilizing video marketing, utilizing posts as well. So V, and we'll put a P over here for post videos and posts. Okay, so the post specifically being on Facebook. Okay, so Catherine here, again, a little bit different. Catherine is mainly using Instagram. Okay, she does use, the occasional TikTok, the occasional Facebook, but mainly using Instagram, and she's specifically using video marketing. Okay, so when we look at John, right, what's John doing? John is using mostly YouTube. Okay, so using video marketing over on YouTube. And he's also using Facebook. He has a Facebook group where he plugs people in over there. So he's using Facebook group and he's doing posts over in his group there. Okay, so those are really the first five people. Okay, so kind of, obviously there's some similarities there, but there's also some big differences. Okay, so when we look at, remember the two things here. What are these people doing? How are they doing it? So right now we're talking about what are they doing, right? This is all the what, right? So what is, Clint and Shannon and Richard and everybody else doing? You can kind of see it right there on your screen. So let me clear this out here for a second, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down. We're going to look at the second half of everybody that's here, okay? So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to try to keep actually I got too many people to showcase here. So anyway, I'll just go see if I can go all the way to the bottom here, okay? We're going to show Cynthia and Nicole in there. Okay. Now, let's go back and let's just look at what each of these folks are doing. So, Cynthia right here, I know it's a little tough to see, but she's specifically using, okay, she's using YouTube, right? She's using Facebook posts, okay? So, she's using that. All right. So, she's using video. My V's keep looking like check marks. I apologize for that. Okay. She's using videos and she's using posts. Okay. So that's that. Misty is literally only, unless she's doing something else that I have not found, Misty is literally only doing Facebook posts, which is kind of crazy for someone to get as many sales as she has gotten here with her myEcon business. She's literally just doing Facebook posts. So you can see how everything kind of varies around. Not everybody is doing the same exact thing, but there are some consistencies here. Okay. So Celeste, what is Celeste doing? Celeste is doing YouTube. Okay. And Celeste is also doing TikTok. Okay. We know that. So obviously she's using video marketing, right? Clifton, we don't know what Clifton is doing. This dude's just a rock star. He's just kind of off in his own world, which is cool. It happens. Okay, so David right here, right? What is David doing? David is using Facebook posts, seen that, and he's also using, I think he has some videos that he's using on Facebook as well. But primarily, I've seen David mainly using Facebook. I haven't seen him use any other platform. Okay, so lastly, let's talk about Nicole. Now, Nicole is using TikTok for sure. Okay, she's using TikTok, and I also know that she's using Facebook. Again, both video marketing, okay, video marketing, short form videos over on TikTok and Facebook. Okay, so what is driving sales amongst all of these people? Well, Facebook posts, okay, YouTube videos like the one that you're watching right now, okay, short form videos, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Okay. Those are all working. So that's the what. Those are the what's that everybody here is doing. Literally a dozen different success stories, a dozen different, some people found success super quick. Some it took a little longer. Some were just gold and starting out and making sales their very first week. Some ranked up as high as infinity. Okay. So a couple of infinities in here, several platinums in here, several golds in here of these dozen of folk that we're showing you. So what do we know? That, you can post on Facebook and make money. You can literally share a video on Facebook and make money. You can share a video on TikTok, Instagram, and you can create videos here on YouTube and you can make money. Those are all different ways of doing it. Those are all the what's. Okay. So these dozen people here is all the what's. So I'm going to clear all this out. Now, this is the important part that I want you to understand here. Like when we really drill it all the way down to the end and the bottom end of this video here. What is the one common denominator? So everyone does it like similar but a little different, right? The dozen people that we have here on this playlist. By the way, if you want to get access to this playlist, okay, links in the description down below this video. Go ahead. Make sure that you get access to this. You'll hit that link. You'll land right on the screen that you see right here in front of you. Okay. Also, while you're here too, do me a favor. There's literally like over 65% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Really does help the channel out and helps me create more content like this just to show you everyday people getting everyday results here online. If you're looking to make money from home, make money online, have a successful home-based business right here in 2025, this channel right here, my friend, is the place to be. Okay. So what I want to do is now bring it all home. There's a lot of similarities. There's a lot of common things, but not everybody does the same exact thing. But what do all 12 people, every single person that's here, what do they all have in common? They do all have one specific thing in common. No, it's not Facebook. No, it's not short form videos. It's not any of those. It's not any of the what's. It's the how. Now we're talking about the how. How did they learn these skill sets to generate the results that they have? That's what we have to ask ourselves. That's what you have to realize here. And I'm going to show it to you right here. It's really simple. What one specific common denominator do they all have? It is literally this right here. This is the one thing that every single one of those 12 people all have in common. They all went through our team training site and they all applied what they learned. So it doesn't matter if it's, if it's Facebook, if it's Instagram, if it's posts, if it's short form videos, long form videos, YouTube training, TikTok training, whatever it is, it's all here inside of our team training site, right? You have the start promoting section right here where you learn video marketing, short form video marketing, right? You also have down here in the vault, like you just so many bonuses over in the vault. This is where you get all your posts, your Facebook posts, and see those and learn how to do those. Plus, you plug into our live training when we go live Monday through Friday, 5 days a week, 10 a.m. Eastern, every single day, teaching, training, educating you, right? So we have all those. And then you have your bonus section, which, my goodness, there's so many things here. I mean, there's TikTok training, right? There, I'm just going to put a T for TikTok. There's TikTok training. There's Instagram training, okay? There's Facebook training. There is YouTube training, okay? The list goes on and on and on. There's even, yes, we even have Craigslist training in there, okay? So you have TikTok, you have Instagram, you have Facebook, okay? You have Craigslist. I'll put that right there. There's so many different ways that you could learn how to promote your business. So everyone does it just a little bit different, but everyone also started here at the same exact point, the same exact process. So what is the one specific thing that every single one of those people, all of those success stories, was the one single thing that they all have in common? Our team training site. So that's the beauty about this business. I'm not sitting here, I'm not going to be the one to tell you, hey, if you want to make money with myEcon, if you want to make money online in 2025, you have to use TikTok. No, you don't. You don't have to do what somebody else out there might be telling you got to do. Oh, you got to post videos, you got to do this. Like, no, we've already proven that. Like, we have people that are just posting. They're just sharing posts, which are not even video posts. They're just regular everyday posts, and they're making sales. So you don't have to do what maybe other people are trying to teach and show you how to do. Does video marketing help? Yeah, absolutely. It can if you go apply what you learn. But you also got to realize here too, we're going to give you a lot of different methods. And you have the ability to find, just like all those, literally the dozens of people that we have in our success stories playlist, you can find your own way. You can find your own method and find what works best for you. So I hope that sinks in a little bit, and I hope that makes sense. You have the ability, because every single one of those people, they all started right here. They watched this first video. They saw how the site worked, what they have access to. This is the one common denominator with all those 12 people. Every single one of them got access to our team training site. Every single one of them applied certain things and started getting sales. So if you want a system, a site, a platform that has proven and documented results over and over and over again, helping people get started with myEcon and get actual real results, link in the description down below, my friend. You'll see that. You can get started. We'll help you out. We'll plug you in, and you can go through that same exact process as all of those other people. Okay, so you can figure out what's going to work best for you. And who knows, maybe I'll be showcasing and featuring you in one of the next videos. I would absolutely love that. My friend, if you have any questions for me on the playlist, anything I've covered, myEcon, any of that, my phone number is right there at the top of this video. Send me a text message. Don't be shy. Ask me anything you want. Appreciate you for watching. If you made it to this point in the video, do me a favor. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Really does help the channel. Also, hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content here to my channel. You, my friend, will be the first to know. Otherwise, don't let 25 bucks get in the way of your future success, my friend. Link in the description down below. Get yourself started. Activate your myEcon membership, and we will get you instant access to over $10,000 in free value. Our proven and documented system will be all yours absolutely free, just for activating your myEcon membership. Appreciate you, my friend. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.